Hey folks, James in Vegas here. I've got something real fun for you today. Real fun today. If you saw my previous video, you've already known that I've sold my car and I am now carless in downtown Las Vegas, live and work. Today I got something in the mail that I'm super excited about. Let me show you. That's right. It's a box. But inside the box, it's not an ordinary box. Inside this box is a 2,000 watt electric stand-up scooter. So I'm going to go ahead and unpack it and show you a little bit about it. I'm not sure how detailed this is going to be, but let's go ahead and at least remove it from the box. It's actually boxed really well. Let me tilt it a little for you. So it's a lot of foam inserts, a lot of attachments, that sort of thing. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking some things out and see what we got. These look like axle caps that go on the wheel axles. Charging cord, charging brick. Little multi-tool. Spare inner tube for the tires. And everything else looks like it's just the unit itself. Handlebars are folded down. Looks like everything is assembled aside from the handlebars themselves. Don't eat that. The silica gel. Alright, let's see if I can get this thing out of here, because it's heavy. Oh, it's not bad. Instruction manual. See any loose screws anywhere. Alright. Let's get the box out of the way because it's big. See if I can put it on top of this and have it a little elevated. This thing weighs about, I think, 70 pounds, something like that. There we go. So this is actually the first scooter I've ever owned. Just got to tighten this up a little bit. And lock those in place. Come with grip tape and then some replacement grip tapes. Got a, looks like Apache attack helicopter maybe. Distress flag, don't know who's going to put that on there because I'm not going to step on it. And then another like urban design here. So I like what's there now, the kind of skull, the flaming skull. So I'm going to leave that. So basically this is a 2,000 watt electric scooter. We've got a motor in each wheel. think it's a 52 volt battery, and it's supposed to go up to 40 miles an hour, but since I'm so big, it's probably not going to do that, but I don't want to go that fast anyway. But my plans are, once I get this assembled, I have some accessories I'm going to attach to the handlebars. I even have a, if I can find where I put it. Okay, I can't find where I put it, but I have the AirTag from Apple. This is for the scooter keys. And then I have another one that I'm going to embed inside the scooter, so if it does get stolen, I'm going to be able to track it. Here we go. I have it in a little silicone case that's got some sticky glue. And I'm going to take the thing apart. There's a little place on the side where the lights are, and I'm going to put them in there. But anyway, I'm going to go and put this together, and I'll be back in a minute.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and got my everything assembled. I'm charging it up right now. I already put air in the tires. Got to check all the other bolts just to make sure that it's working okay. But up here I've got a headlamp or a flashlight or a bike light or whatever. In here I've got the slime for the tires, flat tires, air pump, and I'm hoping that the charger is going to fit in there. Got a little clamp here that I'm planning on using my 360 camera on. And like I said, I've got it all assembled here. Got a little alarm as well. Got the key ignition, the bell, the brakes, and over here we've got the turbo mode and the it's really small in here, guys, so I'm trying to get as best as I can. Got the turbo mode, eco mode, dual motors. You got another brake lever here, and then the throttle here. I'm not going to go through all the things and all the settings on it because, you know, there's a lot of videos out there now. They've released this thing a while ago, but there's 2 charge ports there, and I'm just going to go through the manual and make sure everything is charged up and everything's tightened, and then I'm going to go on a ride. Thanks again for watching, and if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. If you want to watch the video of me selling my car Daisy to CarMax, the vending machine, that's on my channel as well. It's very interesting to see. I watched a Maserati go up into the vending machine. So again, this is the Varla Eagle One scooter, and it is a 2,000 watt, 1,000 watt per each hub scooter. Weighs about 70 pounds ish, and can hold about 330 pounds. I think they recommend like 280, 260, something like that. It's supposed to go 40-mile range ish, but we'll see. Anyway, thanks again for watching, guys. Have a great day.